Here Rupesh is giving his project for the CC manual and how to say it. The objectives of the speech are: select the right words and sentence structure to communicate your ideas clearly, accurately and vividly. Use rhetorical devices to enhance and emphasize ideas. Eliminate jargon and unnecessary words. Use correct grammar. Timer, note time 5 to 7 minutes. All the best, Rupesh.
How many of you would like to tea lovers? Can I see your hands, please? Thank you. What are the qualities of good tea? Aroma.
Flavor.
Flavor.
Brand.
Wonderful.
Models.
Sorry?
Brand.
Brand. I'm sure you will enjoy and experience a good tea in a moment's time. Good morning, Toastmaster of the day.
Good morning.
Fellow Toastmasters. I'm Rupesh. I'm going to share my experience of making tasty tea and getting into tastier times. It was a Sunday morning. It was a Sunday morning. The orange sun is rising gradually on the east. Imagine you are sitting in a balcony of a beach resort. The cold breeze of air is hitting on your face. You are holding a steaming hot cup of tea in your hand. The flavor, the aroma is filling the whole balcony. As you take the first sip of the tea, you are enjoying every drop of the tea. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
As you are enjoying the tea, you are not only enjoying the tea and also the beautiful sunrise on the east. That was exactly the experience I was having 1 year back in Pondicherry. I feel as if it is happening this morning. Couple of weeks back, I was traveling to Tirupati in Saptagiri Express. I had a tea in the train. The tea is neither hot nor tasty. The tea is neither having any aroma, like Venkatesh was saying, nor any strength. What a tea! What a England to experience between the first place and second place. Later I realized tea is a very simple tea. Just need 4 ingredients: milk, water, sugar and the tea powder. The process is also very simple. You got to boil the water with the tea powder, boil the milk, mix them, then add sugar and stir it. But yet the output varies a lot. Later I realized there are varieties and variations of the tea. For example, you got a tea varieties like Assam tea, Darjeeling tea, or tea from Nilgiris tea from hilly, cloudy, cool Ooty. So there are varieties of tea. There is also various flavors. You got ginger tea, you got ilachi tea, you got masala tea and lot more. There are also various levels of sugar: half sugar tea, extra sugar tea, or regular sugar tea or no sugar tea. And also the strength of the tea varies, the quantity of the milk varies. All this gives the varieties and combination of tea. Later I realized how to get a tasty tea and have the tastier times. Then I realized there are 3 steps which can help to get a really tasty tea and the tastier times to enjoy. The first step is to have a customized tea, or what exactly I want, or what exactly you want, or what exactly you are going to get in a moment's time. Probably a steaming hot ilachi flavored tea, and that's my favorite tea. What's your favorite tea? Someone from this side? Ginger tea, wonderful. Someone from this side? Lemon tea. Oh, wonderful. There are a lot of varieties of tea. Unless we know what exactly will be the ginger tea or the lemon tea, then only the person will be satisfied. That's step 1 of knowing exactly what is required, or the customized output. The step 2 is the right inputs. The right inputs, having the right quantity, the right quality, and from the right source. Probably Nilgiris tea sourced from Ooty, right? That's step 2. And step 3 is the process, the passionate process. Process will be the right steps, the right sequence, the right quantity, and at the right timing. More importantly, the touch of love, the act of love in making the tea makes all the difference. even though we got the best of the best ingredients, but the person who makes the tea with a touch of love and act of love makes all the difference. Having learned how to make the tea, I thought of applying it in my workplace. My boss asked me to get me a report, and I asked specifically which report, which region and what frequency. He asked me to deliver Chennai daily sales report for the month of August. And since I know it very specifically, I delivered it earlier than expected. My boss was happy, and then I went on to take my favorite steaming hot ilachi tea. What a tasty tea and the tastier times I had. Friends, do you like to have a tasty tea in the moment's time?
Yes.
Thank you. So, get ready for it. Experience, enjoy and enliven the tasty tea and the tastier times. Thank you.